Hello everyone, welcome back to Queenly Conversations. In today's lesson, we will learn how to speak English at the supermarket. You will learn useful vocabulary, simple questions, and everyday conversations that you can use when shopping. Please listen carefully and repeat after the speakers. Let's get started. Part 1. Useful vocabulary and expressions. Before we start today's conversation, let's learn some useful words and expressions. These words are very common in everyday English. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. Word 1. A supermarket. A supermarket is a large store where people buy food and daily necessities. Repeat. A supermarket. Word 2. A shopping cart. You use a shopping cart to carry many items while shopping. Repeat. A shopping cart. Word 3. A shopping basket. A shopping basket is smaller than a shopping cart. Repeat. A shopping basket. Word 4. A cashier. The cashier helps customers pay for their shopping. Repeat. A cashier. Word 5. A customer. A customer is a person who buys something. Repeat. A customer. Word 6. Aisle. An aisle is the space between shelves in a supermarket. Repeat. Aisle. Word 7. A shelf. Products are placed on shelves. Repeat. A shelf. Now let's learn some food words. Repeat after me. The milk. Eggs. Bread. Rice. Chicken. Apples. Bananas. Vegetables. Fruit. Water. Orange juice. Excellent, now let's practice some useful sentences. Listen carefully and repeat. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for milk. Where can I find the eggs? The milk is in aisle 3. How much is this? I'll take it. Can I pay by card? Here's your receipt. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Excellent job. Now you know the most useful words and expressions for shopping at a supermarket. Let's listen to a real conversation. Part 2. A slow conversation. Now let's listen to a slow conversation. Emma is at the supermarket. David works there. Listen carefully. Excuse me.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for milk.
Of course, the milk is in aisle 3.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Excuse me again, where can I find the eggs?
The eggs are next to the milk. Just walk straight and turn left.
I see them, thank you.
My pleasure.
I also need some bread.
The bread is over there. It's near the bakery section.
Great, I need some apples too.
Fresh apples are in the fruit section. They are on sale today.
Really, that's wonderful. How much are these apples?
They are $2 per kilo.
That's a good price. I'll take 2 kilos.
An excellent choice.
I think that's everything. Where is the cashier?
Well, the cashier is near the exit. You can pay there.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course, we accept credit cards and cash.
Perfect. Thank you for your help today.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, you too. Great job. Now, let's listen to the same conversation again at a more natural speed. Part 3. Natural conversation. Now, let's listen to the conversation at a natural speed. Hi, excuse me, could you help me please?
Of course, what are you looking for?
I'm looking for milk and eggs.
They are in aisle 3. You can find the eggs right next to the milk.
Perfect, thank you. I also need some bread, where is it?
David, the bakery section is over there. You'll find fresh bread on the top shelf.
Great, everything looks fresh. I'd like some apples too, which ones do you recommend?
These red apples are very sweet. They're also on sale today.
Wonderful, I'll take 6 apples. Do you sell orange juice?
Yes, it's in aisle 5 next to the bottled water.
Thank you, this supermarket is very easy to shop in.
I'm glad to hear that.
I think I'm finished, where can I pay?
The checkout is just over there. You can pay with cash or by card.
I'll pay by card, thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Thank you, have a nice day. Excellent, now it's your turn to practice speaking. Let's listen and repeat together. Part 4. Listen and repeat. Now it's your turn, listen carefully. Pause the video if you need more time, repeat after the speakers, let's begin. Expressions. Excuse me.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for milk.
The milk is in aisle 3.
Where can I find the eggs?
Well, the eggs are next to the milk.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
How much are these apples?
They are $2 per kilo.
I'll take 6 apples.
An excellent choice.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Have a nice day.
You too.
A short conversation practice. Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course, what are you looking for?
I'm looking for milk.
The milk is in aisle 3.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
One more time, faster. Where can I find the eggs?
Well, the eggs are next to the milk.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Have a nice day.
You too, goodbye.
Excellent job. You did a great job practicing today's English conversation. The more you listen and repeat, the more confident your English will become. Let's finish today's lesson with a quick review of the vocabulary. Part 5. Vocabulary Review and Endings. Excellent work. Before we finish today's lesson, let's review the words and expressions you learned today. Listen carefully and repeat after me. A vocabulary review. A supermarket. A shopping cart. A shopping basket. A cashier. A customer. The aisle. A shelf. The milk. Of eggs. A bread. A apples. A bananas. A vegetables. A fruit. A orange juice. Water. A price. A receipt. A cash. A credit card. A useful expressions. Excuse me. Can I help you? I'm looking for milk. Where can I find the eggs? The milk is in aisle 3. How much is this? I'll take it. Can I pay by card? Here's your receipt. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Quick practice. Now answer these simple questions. Question 1. Where can you buy milk, bread, and vegetables? Answer at the supermarket. Question 2. Who helps you pay for your shopping? Answer the cashier. Question 3. What do you say when you need help? Answer, excuse me, can you help me? Question 4. What do you say after paying? Answer, thank you very much, have a nice day. Ending. Fantastic, you have finished lesson 6 at the supermarket. I hope today's lesson helps you feel more confident when shopping in English. Remember, the best way to improve your English is to listen, repeat, and practice every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to Queenly Conversations, and leave a comment below. Tell us, what do you usually buy at the supermarket? Try answering in English. Thank you very much for learning with us today. See you in Lesson 7. Goodbye.